एवरीवन, आप सभी का स्वागत है शेड्यूलर टेक यूट्यूब चैनल में। हम इस चैनल में बात करते हैं रिगार्डिंग द इंटरव्यू एक्सपीरियंसेस, CTF challenges, cyber safety awareness video and some kind of the practical methodology to do the cyber security attack, to learn about the cyber security attack and how to develop the project for the cyber security related terms. So this channel is mainly related to the cyber security, and also we are planning to coming with the some vlogs part kind of thing. So let's start. Today we are going to talk about regarding the network intelligence interview experiences. I am not able to find any video related to this in the YouTube, and that's why I think that why should I not create this video so that you can get an idea whenever you are going to apply to that firm. And this is a very populated firm for the cyber security person. And today we are talking about this interview experiences who are having the 1+ year of experience. Although the fresher are also applying in this particular company, so it is beneficial for both, because the interview round are some kind of the similarity having for the fresher as well as the 1+ year of experience. Okay, so let's start. This is a network intelligence company who is established currently in the Bombay, as well as the new office open in the Bangalore, and it is a headquarter at the outside of India. We are going to talk about the selection process as well as the interview experiences, what kind of question is asked in the particular cybersecurity domain related role. It is related to the VAPT as well as the senior cybersecurity consultant role. There are total 3 rounds which is conducted in the 4 part. If I talk about the 4 parts, so first round it is a telephonic round which is a screening test, and HR will be going to call you to verify the details or checking that the job description is matching with your current skill or the technology you know or not. The second thing is that there is a simple technical round 1, then the simple technical round 2, and the 4th part is the HR round. If you are able to clear the first telephonic round and then the simple technical round and the practical technical round 2, then the HR round is easy to clear, because in HR round we are having general discussion regarding the salary negotiation as well as regarding the skills or technology which we know. So let's start. In telephonic interview round, you are going to get a call and asked by the HR about the relevant experience. Whenever the term come relevant experience, it simply means that, let's suppose if I am giving an example, you are working for 1 year in a software engineer role and 1 year for the cybersecurity role. Whenever the HR will be going to ask you about the cybersecurity related experience, so you can simply say that I am having the 1 year of experience. Okay, but let's suppose you are having the experience of VAPT from last 2 years and you are doing the 1 year of freelancing. आप 1 साल तक freelancing कर रहे हैं, then 1 साल आपको कंपनी का experience, then total relevant experience will be counted as the 2+ years of experience. Then HR will be going to brief about the company, the job description, and ask about yourself as well as the role which you want to apply. Then she will be or he will be going to ask you about the technology and tools which already known by you, and then at last they will be going to schedule the interview as well as your availability of the time and date. After clearing the first round, which is a very simple round, if your skill set and technology which you know is matches with whatever required under the job description, then you will be able to clear the first telephonic round. Then the second, or you can say that the first technical round, it is going to conducted, and in the first round there are maybe a 2 member or maybe a 1 member. They will be start the interview by introducing themselves. They will be going to tell about their position, their experience, total experience, and then they will be first make you comfortable, give you time to 2 minutes, calm down, and then they will be going to start the interview. So first of all they will be going to ask you to introduce about yourself, and then they will be go on the technical question, whatever the skill you have mentioned in the resume. So whenever I am going to tell, the interviewer is asked, tell me about yourself. So it simply means that there is a chances that you can run interview according to your knowledge. And how to answer that particular question? If you are also not aware and you want to crack the interview of any MNCs regarding the Accenture, TCS, Cognizant, Wipro, all the interview experiences we have already created under the playlist of the interview experiences. You can go there, and to answer this particular question, tell me about yourself, you can check the playlist of interview experiences. There you will be able to find. Let me show you. When you come here on the Shuttler Tech YouTube channel, then here you will be able to find the interview experiences. Just click here. After click here, you will be going to get a result which is going to tell you the tell me about yourself headline. Turn down all the things in a particular manner. So please watch this video from start to end to understand the methodology. Then the interviewer will be going to come and ask about the skills mentioned in the resume. Let's suppose if you have mentioned any cryptography, or maybe you have mentioned skills regarding the management, or maybe if you have applied for the cybersecurity role and you have mentioned skills related to the OWASP top 10 technologies since 25, then they will be going to ask a question related to that. Then mainly question were related to the OWASP top 10 technology, because it is a basic foundation and it is an industry accepted vulnerability which every cybersecurity researcher mainly follow. Then the topic will be covered in the interview. It is thick client penetration testing, web application or API penetration testing, cloud penetration testing, network penetration testing, and some question related to the red teaming. It is all based on how much you have written in your resume. So I would suggest whatever you know, only mention that thing in your resume, otherwise it will be trouble for you only. Okay, so after completing the first round, within a 7 days or 8 days you will be going to get a call from HR if you are selected for the second round. For the second round, there are one person mostly, and he will be or she will be going to ask you about your background. Based on your background and your skill set, they will be check your skills to solve the practical example. They will be giving you a live situation based scenario where you have to answer whatever you feel or whatever the things in come your mind. You have to answer that in a practical manner by verbally. So the question asked related to the real-time attack scenario. For example, I have written like, if you found XSS cross-site scripting vulnerability in some particular server, so how can you show this vulnerability at the server side to the client? So you have to answer this thing in particular practical manner. To answer this question, you can answer that first you will be going to steal the cookies, and under the cookie you will be going to provide the XSS payload, and it will be reflecting directly toward the client side. Do not miss the video. Please watch the video till end, because I think that you are not going to find any video related to the network intelligence company interview. Then the question are related to your work and responsibility. What work? If you are fresher, then what project you have done. If you are experienced, then the question related to the responsibility, what responsibility you have played as a cybersecurity analyst or penetration tester or whatever role you are having in your previous company. Then they will be going to give you a chance. If you have any question, please ask. Please do not hesitate. This is the chance where you can understand about the company, and you have to ask the question related to the company. Maybe you can ask, instead of saying easily no, just ask that company how the work day will be look like in the network intelligence, what type of client you are having, or you can ask about the culture. But you have to ask something. It will be giving the impact on the interviewer. So this is second round. After clearing the second round, you will be going to get interview schedule mail or HR discussion mail related to the next further process or the last round in the within a week, or you can say the 7 days. So in the HR round there will be a regarding the negotiations, so they will be going to ask you about the in-hand salary and all the details, location, whatever your preferred location, if the location is matches or not, then the general talking regarding your family background or maybe some kind of the general question, and then the joining date, when you can join. If you are fresher, then when you can join, and if you are experienced, how much notice period. And they will be accepted the 90 days notice period. Some important factor which you have to prepare, like in the first round, in the second round, if you prepare this 4 thing, then you are easily able to crack the interview. Regarding the always top 10 web application methodology you have to prepare, you have to see the thick client application, which tool are used for the thick client application, how the network or website will work. Then you have to read about the Sense 25 methodology, then you have to read about the CVE and CWE, what is their difference and what are the vulnerability related to what thing. And at last, if interviewer are interested, then he or she will be going to ask you about the 2 to 3 vulnerability or the finding which is your favorite, and you have to explain them with the practical thing. Whatever you have performed, you have to explain that. So please prepare with 2 to 3 your favorite vulnerability. It means आप लोगों को 2 से 3 vulnerability, like my favorite vulnerability is related to the file upload vulnerability. I have able to find the file upload vulnerability and able to execute the RCE, remote code execution. So this kind of 2 to 3 vulnerability you have to remember, so that it will be impactful when the interviewer will going to ask. These are the question who are the fresher. If you are experienced, mostly this question will be not going to ask you, but if you are a fresher, then this question will be asked to you. Thank you so much guys for watching the video till end. Please hit the like button and subscribe button and share this video whosoever you feel that person should know about this. And this company is currently hiring because they have opened the new branch in the Bengaluru also. So please hit this like and subscribe button. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye bye.